Welcome to Oxford College.
Welcome to Oxford College.
Welcome to Oxford College.
I love being an RA, and I love all the great people here at Oxford.
I really love the staff and faculty. They're really there for you. They're always there to support you if you have a problem, whether it be academic or personal. So that's one of the things I really value about Oxford.
Being able to ride my scooter through the quad.
The sense of community, being able to text my professors.
I love how everybody's your family.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
I feel truly honored and blessed to be here. It's like one of the best places. And I literally could not imagine myself being anywhere else.
What I like about Oxford is it's not all about coming to work. It's being with the people that you love and that you enjoy working with.
Oxford makes me happy because I really like the community. I like being able to walk across the quad and like see all the like friendly faces and friends. Hey. It's a really nice community. It makes me happy. I get to be part of two campuses, not just one.
I love that all the students and all the people who attend and all the staff and faculty create a great support system.
What makes me happiest about Oxford is all of the wonderful students.
The food, they got these soft cookies, cookies for Caleb, they soft, but also the diversity.
Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said,
There's the fact that I can just like walk next door to my friend's room and just like walk in and talk to them and have a like 20-minute conversation with them. There's just this close-knit community here, and I feel so welcome to be a part of this Oxford community.
I feel at home. I live here technically, I went to school here. And it's the same kind of happy vibe.
What makes me happiest about being at Oxford is the people.
I just finished my bio exam, yet I was able to spend an hour in the professor's office learning more about the subject.
What makes me happiest about being at Oxford is definitely seeing the students' leadership potential here. They definitely have a drive and a passion, one like I've never seen before.
Being a pal and being a TA, helping all the freshmen out and my class out was a lot of fun. I got to know a lot of people.
Oxford gave me the opportunity to become more independent than I've ever been before.
The relationships I get to form with everyone here.
bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high, bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said,
I think the fact that we can get so involved even being freshmen and sophomores, because I really made my Oxford experience and memories by being involved in all these clubs, and I made some of my best friends by being involved in all these clubs. I love the people. The people make it like the coolest place to be.
I love how that we have such like a diverse campus and that like everyone comes from everywhere, but like we still can like get together and like get along really well. And, like everyone's just super friendly.
A couple days ago, I got to go up to the Senior Bell Tower and sign my name. It was really special because it was like leaving my mark on Oxford as I graduated.
Having decent relationships with my professors because of the small class sizes.
The fact that I can be myself, I can dance like an idiot and feel comfortable with dancing like an idiot because I know that everyone else around me is dancing like an idiot.